What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G-O-D, don't believe in T-H-O-T. She keep playing me dumb, I'm a player for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental, let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out in a drought, no flow, rain wasn't pouring down. See that pain was all around, see my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to turn, flow was cool but I still felt burned. Energy up, you gon' feel my surge, I'ma kill everything like this purge. Let's just get this straight for a second, I'ma work, even if I don't get paid for progression. I'ma get it, everything that I do is electric. I'ma keep it in motion, keep it moving like kinetic. Put this shit in the frame, better know I don't blame everything that I say. Man, I seen you deflate, let me elevate, this ain't a prank. Have you walking on a plane? La 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 la. Both hands together, God, let me pray. I been going right around, call that relay. Pass the baton, passing them on, swimming in the pool, can't drink them all. When a piece of this, a piece of mine, my piece of sign. Can you please read between the lines? My rhymes inclined to break your spine. They say that I'm so fine, you could never match my grind. Please do not waste my time. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She got that mouth on her back. Ask for the 100 and get her. He gonna let us unlatch. She gonna give him a rash. I'm gonna get inside the next wing and go to the Space Needle. I be smoking on OG, yeah, this for me, it's medicinal. Achoo, motherfucker gotta sneeze, gotta take one puff when it hits my brain. Like if your love when it hits you, you go for a slow. Drifting in the rain, I'm on that funky town shit. Back wheel drive, I'ma tell you I'm not gonna quit. Pull, come to the front door, get to the back, to the back, to the back, to the back. Hold up in the beamer, go around the block, take a lap, take a lap. I am an addict and it's fantastic, I can't get enough of them sandy cheeks. Sandy free, one more block.
name is Sandy Chicks. I like her cause she a freak. I like her cause she a freak. All the meat that just got beat, all because I'm Sandy Cheeks. Jack out here in the middle with the mummies, coming with the heat. I'm a dirtbag commie, dab so thick it look like honey. Probably get a smoke. It is Sunday when I eat. I miss his bum, she gonna